Back to the streets.
Alright, so we have gum packets. We've just hit on the first one. If you're watching the vlog, you get a bit of a sneak peek of where the first one could be.
Somewhere around here, mate.
Somewhere around here. Anyways, we got this idea. Do you remember who we got it from?
Nah.
This isn't our idea, but if we remember who we got it from, we put him in the description. Shout out to him. Pretty much, we're putting money and we're putting him in here. This one's going to be $20. We're going to go hide this somewhere in Adelaide. If you find it, you come and get it, alright? There's 3 in total. One's going to be out today, right now. Where I am, I've just hit one. So right now, get to Rundle Mall. That's all I'm going to say. Just get to Rundle Mall, alright? If you know Rundle Mall, you know where I am. But otherwise, one out tomorrow and one out Monday. And yeah, I'm not going to say how much out. All I ask is that if you find them, tag me on Instagram so I know the big found man. Or write me a message or something. But yeah, good luck. No, this is the vlog content. How did he get this job exactly? Yeah, this is plenty close. Go on, Eric, get in there. Eric, go. Eric. How is he so good at this? Go on, Eric. Is Eric gonna pay him? Oh, he's putting money in. Good boy, Eric. I know, she's a hustler. Eric, mate, you gotta go dance, bro. You gotta go dance. Go on.
It's not my kind of style, you know. Not my kind of music.
Yeah.
I would be right in there doing.
What's your? Did she just see? Yeah. She's just like good boy.
Where does that stop?
Tell me with social. Woo! Well done, mate. Well done. Like, wow, vlog content.
Member, mate.
Hi,
this guy.
Hi, this guy. Right, what's your name? Alex. Welcome to the vlogs.
Yeah, hi.
Welcome to the vlogs.
I'm for Alex.
You didn't push record.
Alright, man.
Remember,
What are we doing?
open me. And you find the money.
Casheroonies.
We are at. I beeped it because you have to wait.
Coming out tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow, Sunday. Coming out tomorrow.
Stupid fly.
Come and find us.
And I'll film some ducks back down here. Sorry for my fingers.
No, it's alright.
Ducks,
Ducks,
kids,
people.
dad,
That's your hint. But
building.
remember, we're not going to tell you where it is until Sundays. So subscribe. In the event that you arrive and there is no money, don't think this is false. Either someone's grabbed it prior. No, we're not taking it. This is legit. That's why the instructions are take me an Instagram post. Head over to my Instagram. That's proof that you've grabbed it, so people know it's legit. I'm not falsing this. Yeah. Because you stuff up the last one. Dash girl. That could be a bit of a mistake. I wrote you're the last guy, and then I had to do dash girl.
Maybe just in case like they bring a flight through, because I think you still have to pay for that.
But the third one has been placed. Eric kindly donated $10 to that one. Thank you, Eric. But yeah, no, the third one has been placed. Come and get it. First one is out, man. We have dropped the first one off. $25. If anyone wants it, go and get it.
This is why I think it would be cheap. You get to be embarrassed.
Oh yeah.